In this video, I will guide you on how to remove content restrictions on Crunchyroll. The first thing you want to do is open the Crunchyroll app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you will find the option of content restrictions. Tap on that. Now you will find different options here such as all audience, parental guidance, ages 12 and up, ages 14 and up, ages 16 and up, and ages 18 and up. If you want to remove any kind of content restriction on Crunchyroll, then you want to select the ages 18 and up. Now you will have to enter your primary account password. Go ahead and enter that to confirm, then tap on continue. Now it has been set to ages 18 and up. Now you will be able to view all kinds of content on Crunchyroll without any restrictions. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.